everybody, thank you for watching. For those of you guys that are new, my name is Carly, and today I wanted to film myself getting ready, and I wanted to try out one of the biggest trends for spring and summer this year, which is the holographic trend. So I am covered head to toe in holographic products, and I absolutely love how it came out. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button right here and click the bell for post notifications. That way you guys can get updates every time I post. But if you guys want to see how I got this look right here, then please keep watching. To start off today's look, I'm going to be priming my face with a blurring primer. And since the whole theme of this video, I'm gonna kill her, I swear. Cindy! So Miss Cindy loves my little Christmas lights. She got shaved. Look how cute she looks. Say hello, my friends. Hello! For foundation, I'm gonna be mixing number 300 and 310 from Fenty. I feel like I look like an Oompa Loompa right now. So these were the only two colors that I had out. I don't know if this ever worked for me or what was going on. We're gonna start over. So I'm gonna use my trusty Fiona Styles. In number 5, I just found another bottle of this in my foundation drawer, which I didn't realize I ordered 2, and they're literally gone, sold out everywhere. So I promise, my new mission is to find my new favorite foundation. I'm going to contour my nose with Toast by LA Girl, and I'm going to conceal with Creamy Beige. It's like a little bit of like a pinky undertone, which I love. It's good for dark circles, and I think it's like $5. I'm going to apply a little bit more right next to the brown. To set my under eyes, I'm using the Cameo Powder by Ben Nye. So next I'm just going to fill in my brows. You guys have seen this a million times, so. To contour, I'm going to take this palette from BH and go over the cream contour before I blend. And I'm just going to blend out that powder now with a very light hand. I'm going to spray a little bit of setting spray. So first I'm going to take this Wet n Wild highlighting stick, and I'm just going to apply that right onto my lid. Just blend that in with my finger. And then I'm going to take the Pat McGrath Astral White eyeshadow with my finger, and I'm going to apply that right over that. It's crazy pigmented. Then with my palette, I'm going to pick up these two purpley mauve shades. First I'm going to grab the lighter one and very lightly blend that into my crease. And then a little bit of the darker mauve and apply that as well. So for this look, I wanted the holographic look to be like bluish tint and also like hints of purple. So that's why I wanted to mix these two together on the lid. And then to highlight underneath my brow, I'm picking up this purpley holographic highlighter from my palette. And I'm going to apply these two shades right here into my tear duct. And then right over that, I'm going to apply a little bit of this as well. For my lower lash line, I'm applying the darker mauve shade. For mascara, I'm using my favorite one, which is the Buxom Lash Mascara. And the reason I love this mascara, especially when I have eyelash extensions, is because it is a water-based mascara, so it's not going to ruin your lash extensions. I've seen a couple of people asking like why I put mascara on them, and the reason I do is because when I do a more dramatic look, they don't look as good without mascara. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of powder under my eye and apply some bottom mascara. Another thing I love about this mascara is it never runs. Some of the other mascaras that I use always leave like dark black spots like an hour after I would apply my makeup. I don't know why, so this is the only mascara that really prevents that for me. Plus it gets my bottom lashes really long as well. Spider lashes. just how I like it. So I'm going to wipe away that powder. And since we're going with a full holographic theme today, I'm gonna take this purpley color from my palette and highlight my nose. And I wanna mix a little bit of this so it's not like crazy. Like I want this look to be wearable, but also super holographic. And as you guys can see, I already drenched my body in this highlighter before I started as well. I'm gonna bronze up my face with this BH palette. And blush, we're gonna go in with my favorite. So the main thing that inspired my holographic makeup look today are the new Buxom holographic full-on plumping lip polish top coats. There are 8 new shades that are launching today, and I'm super excited to show you guys them in action. When I was swatching them on my arm the other day, I was like just dying inside because, as you guys maybe know from my past couple of videos, I have been living for lip glosses, and these plumping shades are absolutely insane, and they go with the whole holographic theme of today's video and the trend for spring and summer of this year. So you can use these products alone, or you can apply it over your favorite lipstick or lip liner even. All 8 shades are now available today at Sephora. So one of the things that I love about this product is the applicator. It helps glide effortlessly over your lips, so you can wear it alone to instantly illuminate the lips, or you can use it over your favorite lip product to amplify and customize the color via the multi-dimensional finishes. So because it's not a typical lip gloss wand, it's not going to move around the lip product, so if you want to apply it over a different product, it's going to sit right on top really nicely and just add that beautiful holographic look. So these Buxom plumping top coats are infused with smooth prismatic pearls, so because of that, it's going to make your lips look more plump. So let's try these bad boys out. I'm super excited. So I have a bunch of Buxom lip products in front of me. The one that I was just kind of drawn to first is the Plump Line lip liner in the color Ransom. So one of the things I love about their lip liners is it's such a big lip liner, so I feel like it's going to take years to even finish this product, which is amazing. So I'm going to use Racy Reveal, which is the matte lipstick, also by Buxom. I'm getting like Barbie vibes right now. Oh my gosh, which one do I want to use first? I feel like I'm going to use one of these first. I'm going to go with the color Mariah, and I'm going to apply that right over it. Do you see that? Oh my god. If you apply it right on your Cupid's bow, it's going to give you a beautiful, beautiful highlight. And when you focus it right in the center, it's going to help make your lips appear larger as well. So it has a little bit of like a tingly feeling, which I like because that way you know that it's working. And this one is absolutely gorgeous. It matches my eye makeup perfectly. I feel like this is going to be hard to choose just one because I have these two are really like speaking to me as far as this eye makeup look. So this is lip option number 1. Again, this was Mariah. So next I'm going to pick up the Plump Line lip liner in the color Stealth. And for lipstick, I'm going to use the color Rebel Rose. So with this color lip, I'm going to try out the color Savannah. It has yellow undertones. Do you see that? So I really love this one as well. I feel like this color with a nice tan and some golden eyeshadow and some like golden highlighter all over your face would be like amazing. Since we're going a little crazy with the holographic trend, I'm going to try out the color Ultraviolet, which is a matte purple lipstick. I don't know how I'm going to feel about it, but I feel like I should just try it just because why not? Ooh, it's pretty. It's really pretty. And I'm going to just use a little bit of lip liner just because I feel like it always completes the look. I'm going to use the color Femme Fatale. And for this look, I'm going to try the color Iris, which is a beautiful pinky bluish purple. Do you guys see that? And I love this applicator. It's super, super soft. So you can see how it really transforms the lip color and it just adds so much dimension and how much bigger do my lips look. Next, I'm going in with the Plump Liner in Hush Hush, which is my kind of color. And we are going to try the color Selena. This one is, I think, one of my favorites. Oh my god, this one's amazing. So this one is like white with like a bluish purple undertone. I feel like this one looks really good with this makeup look as well. I think this one might be the one. I don't know, is this the winner? What do you guys think? I think it might be. So I have to try this blue one just because I have like a whole blue vibe going. So I'm gonna try one more and then I'm gonna decide which one I like the best for the rest of the video. I'm gonna do another like nudish shade just because I feel like with this eye makeup look, I don't know how like a red or any of that would look. So I'm gonna go in with Incognito. And we are going to try the color Jordan. Excited to see how this one looks on the lips. So pretty. This is really pretty as well. I feel like this one matches actually like the best. You know what? I might just keep this one on and add a little bit of Selena. Yeah, I feel like this one is the one. So which lip combo was your favorite? Make sure to comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Honestly, I'm obsessed with all of them and I'm living for this holographic look. They just launched on Sephora.com, so I will link them all below so you can go check them out. I personally am obsessed and I love how they feel on my lips. Like they have like this little tingly feeling. So with that said, I'm gonna go fix my hair and I will see you guys in a minute. So I just fixed my hair a little bit. I wasn't going to, but I'm gonna add a little bit of highlighter. How can I not? On my cheeks, that is. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this color right here. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I, for one, am so obsessed with how this look came out and I know what I'm going to be doing all spring and summer. I have so many amazing new holographic products that I'm going to be using and like, can we just take a minute for this highlight on my body and my lips? So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely love how it came out and I think you guys should definitely try out this holographic trend. It's amazing and I honestly feel like a unicorn a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you aren't already. And until my next video, I will see you guys later.